Pooja collected data on the number of tickets sold at the Bhopal railway station for different cities over 2 hour period. So we have Pooja. Okay. So that's my agenda, at least to make it look like a girl. Okay. So we have Pooja standing at the ticket counter. Someone else is selling it. So all she is doing is she is observing what people are, or to where the tickets are bought. Okay. So where is this person buying the ticket to, and so on and so forth. So we have the data. So we have Vidisha 24 tickets, Jabalpur 20, Sioni 16, Indore 28, and Sagar 16. So basically she did the tally, and this is what? Yes, this is called as frequency. That is number of times that a ticket was, say, sold to, or ticket was bought to go to Indore 28 times. Right, the number of tickets sold for Vidisha above the bar. So they're asking us to take this bar graph, right, and consider where Vidisha is. This is the bar for Vidisha, representing Vidisha, ticket to that place, and write 24 above that. Why 24? That is the frequency value, that is the number of tickets bought to that place. Let's analyze this graph, right? What and all can we see? Number of tickets and the cities, and they have labeled the graph, and this is the bar graph, right? So what is missing over here? Clearly title is missing and the scale is missing. You guys agree? Or is there anything else missing? No, right? So what can be the title? I can say, talk about tickets sold in 2 hours. Okay. Scale, yeah, we'll see. Scale as of now, actually I can calculate, but let's see the question. So I just actually going off track. This is all not needed, but let me not do this because this is not asked actually. I just going with the flow. So the question is just this. You don't have to write the title. That was me discussing something with you. Right, recapping basically. Write the number of tickets sold for Vidisha above the bar. We wrote that. Write the number of tickets sold for Jabalpur above the bar. So Jabalpur, there are 20 tickets sold. So I'll write 20 over here. Correct? This is Jabalpur. This is the bar graph. I'm writing 20 over there. Perfect. Now, the bar for Vidisha is 6 units length. What does it mean? See, this bar length in this particular graph is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's occupying 6 unit length. That's 6 unit long. And for Jabalpur, it is 5 unit length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the scale? So now they are asking us to figure out the scale. So now we can talk about scale. Now, how do we figure out the scale? I think I'll give you guys one clue. The clue being this. Say I have 40, I've spent 40 rupees to buy 8 items of something. Maybe an eraser per se. Okay. Now my question to you guys is, how much is one item? Right? How much will a single item cost you? How do you do this? Is it 8 times of 40? So my question to you guys is, option A, is it 8 times of 40? Or option B, is it 40 by 8? Or option C, is it 8 by 40? What is it? What do you think it is? I hope you guys chose option B. So that's the answer. Right? So let me just copy this for you guys. Again, this is not exactly part of your discussion over there, but this is needed to understand. So what happened over here? So for 40 or for 8 items, it is 40. For 1, how much will that be? What is the operation we did over here? Yes, we took up the division. We took up division basically. You guys agree? So we took up division to come to this conclusion. Come to solving this particular unknown. Similarly, can you guys think of when I tell that for to represent a quantity of, or let me write ticket itself, to represent someone, tickets being sold, 24 tickets being sold, if it's represented with the unit or the length being used is 6. Okay, if this is the case, one length will represent how many tickets is the question. How do you do this? Clearly, in this case, we have to use what? Division. Division of what? Correct. This will be 24 by 6. This will be basically 4 tickets. So the scale is 1 unit, that is 1 of this length will measure 4 units. So let's verify. How do you verify? How can I verify this? So this is, say, according to my scale, this is 4, 8, 16, then 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. You guys agree? Can you see that this is 20 and here too I have written that? So that's how you will be able to figure it out. Alright guys. So that's that. Then what else? You have few more questions down actually. Draw the correct bar graph for Sagar. Sagar, we are taking 16 of them. So 16 tickets has been sold over there. So each of this is 4, 8, 12, 16. It's same as this. So I can just, you guys should not be doing that, but for me this is convenient now, because this is software, not paper and pen. If it was so, then I would have not even hesitated. That's actually only option over there. Add the scale for the bar graph by placing the correct number on the vertical axis. Add the scale of the bar graph. Add the scale of the bar graph by placing the correct numbers on the vertical axis. Okay, sorry. I didn't exactly get what they meant, but is it 24? It is 24. Okay. I think this is what they're talking about. Are the bars for Seoni and Indore correct in this graph? If not, draw the correct one. Oh, it's 16. Okay, is it not 16? It's Indore is 28. Oh, 28. Indore is not here. Indore is one more unit up. So basically, I need to have something like that. Of course, I should not be having this line. 24 is proper, but I need to have 28. So basically, I need to have 28 over here. Indore is supposed to be this. Again, I'm doing a bit of jugaad. Please don't mind. And this. Okay. I should have had the space for doing this. Okay, we have 16 over here. Is this 16? Yes. This is 28. Yes. Now it's correct. So basically, this is 24, 20, 16, 28, and then 16 again. So that's that. I think we are done. Good question. Good question.